Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take care of your battery on Vivo Y27. To make your battery lifespan longer, you need to take these steps. The first one is to not overheat your phone. So whenever you are using your phone excessively and it gets hot, then you may want to stop using it for a moment so it cools down itself, so the battery doesn't get damaged, which may result in battery wear over time. Also, you should avoid hot environments. So when it's really hot outside, you may want to keep it in a pocket so it doesn't get hot from the sun. And also when it's cold outside, you should not keep it out of your pocket for too long so it doesn't get too cold. You should also avoid discharging below 15%. I know it happens sometimes, so if you have no other option, you just need to use your phone, that's okay, but you should try to avoid using it too often, below 15%, because it damages battery, and also overcharging your phone may damage battery. Overcharging is when you plug your phone in and it charges to 100% and you keep it plugged in for a longer period of time, then it may get overcharged, and that also damages battery cells. If you want to keep your phone plugged in at night, then I would recommend enabling optimized charging. To enable optimized charging, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Battery, then Charging Settings, Optimize Battery Charging, and make sure that this option is on. That means that your battery will charge to about 80% at night, then pause charging, and when it expects you to wake up, for example at 8 a.m., then it will charge to 100% at 7 a.m. so it's not plugged in at 100% the whole night. And also you should, the last thing to take care of your battery is to avoid contact with water, because water also may damage your battery, causing short circuits and etc. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.